How's it going? This is Steve Linden. Hey, I've got another website for you today. This one's for the solar panel industry. So if you're into solar cells and that's what you do for a living, this could be the perfect fit for you to be able to promote your offer, put it on different social media, as well as have it be a digital business card, so that you could do evaluations, assessments, things like that. And also capture leads and referrals and grow your business as a mobile digital business card. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. We can change it any way you want. We can put a different picture in here on the top thing. We can change out your logo, put your information here, put in your company name or your personal name, and then all your contact information. If you have a separate website, we can link to the separate website, your email and your phone. And then you can see we can put the follow me stuff, the typical stuff you put in if you got social media that you want to put in. And also you can have a digital download. So if you have a PDF, things like that, you can have a link that goes to PDF to download. If you want to give useful information, or let's say a video, and some video series in here that talks about stuff and what people can do to inform themselves, you can do that there. And then right here, you actually can put in a form, and the form can be a number of different things. It can be a scheduling software form where you can schedule appointments. It can actually be an estimator type calculation solution. So you can have that on your desktop or on your phone, and wherever you are, you can actually run a calculation to determine the cost of an installation, and have that information as well. There's many other things that we can do with it, depending on what your needs are. If you have some interest in this look and feel, or would like to know more about something similar to it, all you have to do is get back with me and take action, and we'll go from there. Hope you're having a great day, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Take care.